If you've clicked on this video, your Instagram is about to get a serious glow up. Hi, I'm Shavya and today I'm showing you exactly how I design aesthetic stories, posts and reels using easiest Canva tricks. And I'm also giving free Canva templates throughout the video, so don't skip anything because the links are only mentioned during the breakdowns. And while we're at it, I'm also taking you along for a cozy summer reset vlog, my little way of resetting both my feed and my mind. Let's start with cozy monthly or weekly dump layout using just Canva and Pinterest. Use Pinterest to download these soft pastel backgrounds and aesthetic stickers. Then open Canva and choose the Instagram story layout. Upload your calendar screenshot or favorite photos and assemble everything using frames, elements and make it super static. Here's a detailed tutorial of how I am assembling each one of these to make them pop up from the rest of the crowd. I am using Polaroid style frames here and keeping it very simple with Canva's free elements. You can add more stickers according to your preference like the safety pin or the paper clips etc. to give it more aesthetic touch. And don't skip this because after this comes my summer reset vlog plus tutorials on viral reels, standout story layouts and how you can use 3D fonts that make your posts pop up. Oh, and I'm also sharing the free templates inside this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Okay, so I have been procrastinating this reset for weeks now, and the mess was literally screaming at me, and I was just ignoring it like a pro. And today's the day I finally stopped pretending that my life is together. So guys, I'm almost done for my day. I have utilized the Sunday. I'm feeling so productive today as I spent the whole day cleaning my space, making it, cleaner and more livable. Now everything is not just perfect, but it feels lighter for me. Let it be a sign that it's okay to start even though it's late. To create this receipt kind of a reel, you have to go to Pinterest and search the elements like the receipt one and crumble paper for the printing. Now go to Canva and head to the Instagram reel format and there upload all the images and all the elements that you have downloaded. Now remove the background directly from the Canva, or you can use any other app to remove the backgrounds of the downloaded elements and then upload them directly on the Canva. And now you have to do search for receipt barcode or things like that to make it more realistic. Then upload your image and remove its background, add a drop shadow and change the angle of the shadow to whatever you like. Then start adding elements from the Canva itself, or you can maybe upload a picture where your elements like purse, lip gloss, mirror, sunscreen, these things are visible. Or you can simply go to Pinterest and search for things what's in my bag kind of pictures and simply download them and use them on your own. Make sure to give the credits to the owner of the picture. Now I'm adding the essential receipt elements like barcode, and here's a quick example of the kind of picture that you can download from Pinterest and use them in your videos to give it a mood board kind of a look. Now repeating the same process, you have to create multiple layers of these receipts, and For example, here I have created three separate outfit receipts along with the mood board kind of a thing, and I am making sure to group all of these into a one layer. You can also add other elements like outfit of the day, OOTD check, and other things from the elements itself on Canva. Now upload any of the pastel images as a background and send it to back. Now duplicate the background layer and crop it until the receipt element and make sure to send it back the receipt machine. Now go to the grouped layer of all the crumbled papers and you can copy paste it directly on the first layer of the video where you want the animation to be done. Now you have to duplicate the receipt machine element and crop it half from the downside. And now when you'll paste the grouped layers of all the receipt papers here, you have to send them back and place it upwards and start creating duplicate layers. And with each moving frame, make sure to keep dragging the receipt paper by 1 or 2 inches. You can create 7 or 8 layers doing the same thing, and now you have to apply the animation between pages. Pick the move and match animation for this kind of edit so that it can look like an animation. And here are the final results. Now let's learn how you can add 3D fonts to your posts, reels or stories to make them stand out. Go to elements and write the letter you want to put and write 3D in front of it, and now you'll get tons and tons of 3D text options. You can select the one you like, and when you select it you can literally find more fonts of the same style in the Canva itself. But I think if you don't have the paid version, Canva is now showing all these elements for paid versions only. So what you can do to get them for free is head to Pinterest and screenshot the element photo and use the Pinterest search feature to search similar elements and download them, and again remove their background and use them on your images to create a funky 3D effect of text. So that was it for today's tutorial and cozy vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel right away if you want to see more such videos with vlogs and tutorials. This is me Shavya signing off, and I will make sure to see you in the next one with more helpful tips and tricks to help you grow faster on Instagram and YouTube.